Can I make an anonymous PID? You can remain anonymous when you make a public interest disclosure, or PID for short. Before you decide how to make your report, you should consider if you want the agency that receives it to be able to contact you again. If the agency has no way of contacting you, it won't be able to ask you any questions or keep you updated about how it's handling your report. This is why many reporters provide a way for the agency to stay in touch with them, even if they choose to keep their identity confidential. Whatever you do, it's always a good idea to provide as much relevant information as you can in your report. For more guidance, call Whistleblower Support at the New South Wales Ombudsman on 1800 716 766 or send us an email. We're independent and will keep your inquiry confidential.